Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of updating Roku Pay and changing your Roku account. Whether you need to update payment methods or change your account information, we've got you covered with easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Visit Roku's payment page. First, open your web browser and go to go.roku.com. Pay. This is the official page where you can manage your Roku payment and account settings. Step 2. Sign in to your Roku account. You will be prompted to sign in to your Roku account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Roku account to log in. Step 3. Access your payment settings. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account page. Look for the Payment Method section where you can manage your payment information. Step 4. Update your payment information. Click on Update Payment Method to add a new card or update your existing payment details. Follow the instructions to enter your new payment method. Step 5. Change your Roku account information. To change your Roku account, click on your account name in the top right corner of the page. Select Account Settings to update your email, password, or personal information. Step 6. Confirm changes. After updating your information, be sure to confirm the changes. Roku will send you an email to verify that everything has been updated successfully. Step 7. Enjoy your Roku experience with your payment and account details updated. You're all set to enjoy your Roku device and services without interruptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tutorials.